How to check how long you've spent on an app on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to check app usage time on an iPhone using screen time. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on your settings and then you gotta scroll all the way down till you find the option of screen time. So simply click on it. And here you'll be able to see an option that says app and website activity. So simply click on it and then you gotta turn on app and website activity. Now you can see that I have just turned it on. That's why I don't really have any app time over here, but however right now I've turned it on, and after a day or two, whenever I open my screen time, that will be displayed over here. So you need to turn on the app usage before checking out that how much time you have spent on that specific application. So here you gotta click on see all apps and website activity, and here you can see it's written settings 1 second because I just turned on this activity or I just turned on this option. So now you can see it is updated today at 5:39 and it's literally 5:39 right now. So you can just see that after a day or two, when you come back here, you'll be able to see all of your app data over here, that what was your most used application today, or what was your most used application on a specific date of the week. You'll be able to see all of that over here. So that is basically how you can check how long you've spent on an app on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.